Watermelon juice recipe. 4 cups cubed seedless watermelon, about 1 small to medium-sized melon, 1/2 cup water. 1 tablespoon sugar optional, ice cubes optional. Fresh mint leaves or lime wedges for garnish optional. 1. In a blender or juicer, puree the watermelon cubes until smooth. 2. Strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve into a large bowl or pitcher. 3. Add the water and sugar if using and stir until dissolved. 4. Chill the mixture in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. 5. Serve the juice over ice cubes if desired and garnish with fresh mint leaves or a squeeze of lime juice. Enjoy your refreshing watermelon juice. Note: you can adjust the amount of sugar to your taste or omit it altogether if you prefer an unsweetened juice. I hope you like this sweet drink recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description. So don't forget check out the description.